Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log into Merrick Online Banking, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already opened any of the internet browser and now you need to search for the Merrick Bank login in Google. So once you do that, you'll be able to see a link at top on in the screen where you need to tap on that link, and now you'll be redirected to the official login page of the Merrick Online Banking, where you can see it is asking us for our username and our password. So once you complete your credentials, simply tap on the login and you'll be able to log in successfully. And right above this login option you can see there is a remember me. So once you enable this one, then what it basically means is your credentials or your username gonna be saved in this browser or in this device successfully. And by chance if you have forgotten your username or your password, then simply tap on the forgot username or password on in the screen just down below of this login option, and you'll be redirected to the another page where you need to complete few more formalities, and once you verify yourself you'll be able to log in successfully. So basically this is how you can log into Merrick Online Banking, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.